Miranda. This is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome. I'm actually here in Boracay Station 2.
Yes.
Station 2. Andito ako ngayon sa Two Brown Boys Restaurant and Bar. Ito si Arvin Polo TV, kasama ko yan.
Yo, what's up?
Kapatid ko. And yung nagka-camera is my hipag. Yan. Alright, so in this store, Miranda, meron silang, take a look. They're accepting Bitcoin powered by Pouch. Yan. Okay, Miranda. So, ito yung way kung paano sila magbayad. So, meron silang pouch.ph. Tapos, i-scan mo lang yan. It's actually going to NiceHash. So, when you get a picture of that, it's going to lead you to NiceHash. Kung if you have a NiceHash account at meron siyang coins doon, and you can actually pay using your coins. Samahan nyo ako. Tingnan natin. Mukhang masarap ang bango ng burger dito. Gusto ko yung caramelized onions, pero tingnan natin kay Miranda. Tara, samahan mo ako. Let's go in. Hey guys, this is Coach Miranda Minor. So we're actually here in the bar of Two Brown Brothers. We're gonna be here to taste naman yung kanilang burger. Ang in-order ko yung Sir Mac. Siya yung isa sa mga best sellers nila. Price is around 350 pesos. So tingnan po natin kung talagang worth it ba yung price. We're actually accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment. But of course, we ordered burger. Meron siyang kasamang fries. At meron siyang kasamang sauce. Tapos we have our burger. Yung burger nila, kakaiba kasi if you're going to notice, although na crumpled ko lang, meron siyang caramelized onions. Meron siyang mozzarella na melted. So, let's just quickly try kung worth it ba yung burger nila. I'll just put a little bit of ketchup. I like the patty. Alam mo talaga kung ano siya, purong meat. They did something with the patty. It's very flavorful. Tapos meron siyang aftertaste ng, of course, caramelized, I think, shallots. It's making the burger a bit sweet. Pero overall, naglalaban yung alat tapos yung tamis. And of course, sabayan mo ng beer pagkatapos. Overall, I think it's worth it for the price. And I think it's also for the environment na binabayaran mo. I think it's worth it, Miranda. So if just in case you're actually here in Boracay, drop by kayo. Medyo hirap nung hanapin. You need to ask yung mga eat right. Sabihin nyo lang Two Brown Brothers. Kahilala lang siya ng Andox near D Mall. Alright? So more to come, Miranda, and I love it 8,000. Sobrang sarap. Worth it.